Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about Cricket Wireless. So Cricket Wireless has a promotion going on right now. So if you guys are looking to get a new phone, Cricket has a promotion for you. So if you guys are wanting a new iPhone, Cricket has the iPhone for you. So they're offering the iPhone 11 for $100. So that's pretty cool there. So that's not bad. $100 for iPhone 11. That's a pretty good deal. This is the 64GB iPhone 11 here, so not too bad. Still pretty good deal. The iPhone 11 is a couple years old now, but it's still a good phone today, you know. So yeah, if you guys go to Cricket's website and scroll down a little bit, y'all guys will see it here. So scroll down just a little bit here. Scroll down right here. It says iPhone 11 for $99.99, just the right amount of everything. Online only. iPhone 11, 64GB. Must bring your number and purchase. 3 months, a $60 plan. First 3 months service charge, of course. So you guys have to pay for 3 months of service on the $60 plan. So that's about $180. So you're walking out here about $280 for the whole thing. $100 for the phone, and then $180 for the plan, because it's 3 months. It's $60 plan. So pretty cool deal there. And yeah, you guys have to put your number over to Cricket. So this is for new customers only. So click on buy now. It will show when you guys click on the phone page here. I will have this link down below as well. So we'll just take you right to the phone page here. So there's the iPhone 11, 64GB. See right there on top, get iPhone 11 64 gigs for $99.99 when you pay for 3 months of the $60 plan today. To put your number over the Cricket. You guys have 3 color options: black, white, and red. You guys have to do it here. So like I said, you switch to Cricket and y'all guys get it for $100. If you're a current customer, it's $500 if you guys are a current customer. But if you put your number over the Cricket, it's $100. So you guys have to make sure that it's on new, switching to Cricket, and make sure that the promotional thing is checked. Do all that, and the iPhone 11 is yours for $100. Like I said, the iPhone 11 is 2 years old now. It's a bit of an older iPhone, but it's still a good iPhone. It's still getting updates. It got iOS 15, of course, so y'all guys might have to update the iPhone to iOS 15 when you guys get it. So do keep it in mind. It should get updates for another few years, so that's a win. So $100 for the iPhone 11 is a great deal, especially if you guys want a new iPhone but don't want to spend $1,000 for the newest iPhone. The iPhone 11 is still a great phone today. Like I said, it's still getting updates. It will get updates for another couple more years, so not bad for $100. So yeah, so Cricket has the promotion for you. Switch the number over to Cricket, pay for 3 months of the $60 plan in the iPhone 11. 64GB can be yours for $100. I think that's a great deal, and I think that it will get a lot of people over to Cricket Wireless. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.